Hey guys, so today I'm going to do my skincare routine. It's only 3 steps, so it will be very quick. I just woke up like 5 minutes ago, so my voice is it's still getting, you know, used to a new day as you can say. Okay, anyways, so the first thing that I always use on my face is my eye cream, and this is the eye cream that I use. It is from INDY. So I only take a little bit like this, and then I take my, what do you call it, ring fingers, because these ring fingers are the ones that are most gentle to our under eye area, so we do not want to create wrinkles, and you know, so let's just take that a little bit like this, and then on the other side. Okay, so that's everything that I do with my eye area, and then during, like, this will all sink into my skin, and under the time, like in the meantime, it would just lighten up those dark circles. I will not look as tired as I actually am, so that's perfect. Sometimes I do use a serum and sometimes I don't, so today I am not going to use a serum. I'm just going to use this gel. It's like a conditioning gel for your skin, and it's like I use it as a moisturizer. It's from Naturie, and it's called Skin Conditioning Gel, and it looks like this. Since I got it as a birthday gift from one of my friends. Thank you so much, because I love it, and since I tried it, it's like the best thing that I've ever tried on my skin. So I really love this one, and I've been using it every day since I got it. It really is gel-like, the product. So as you can see, it's like starting to, I don't know, I lost my words. Anyways, so I just take a little bit. I only use this much. I don't use a lot at all. You don't need to use a lot, but you can always take more if you want to. So I'm just going to, this one really gets out like on your entire face with a small amount. Like, as you can see, my skin is really smooth right now, and I only take, right now I just took a little bit more on this, on my hand, or on my fingers here. So I'm just going to take a little bit at a time and put it wherever I feel like I need more. But literally, you can see my skin is shining from this one, and it just, my skin has completely improved drastically since I used this. And this one also contains pearl extract, which is so good for your skin. Okay, so when that is done, we do have one more thing that I use every single day. Does not matter what day it is, if it's winter, summer, spring, autumn, does not matter. Like, the weather will not affect this part in my skincare routine, because I always use my SPF, and that is like one thing that I have always heard and learned from older people, and you know, people that are very well known in the skincare area. Using an SPF is like, you cannot, listen, when you get older, you cannot go back and change the way that you took care of your skin. Like, that will not happen. The skin that has been exposed so much to the sun, nothing will change that. So of course you can always do like treatments and stuff like that, but I feel like, why not just prevent that already? So I'm using my SPF. This is from, I don't know, that brand, I don't know how to say that, but I also have this one, and I also love this one. This one also adds a lot of glow, in my opinion. So I love this, and oh, I love this one as well. So I've been using this one for the past 2 months. But sometimes I like to switch it up, and it's always good to have two. If one runs out, then you will always have another one. You don't have to expose your face to the sun. Anyways, let's just take a little bit. I always take a little, like, you guys can't see anything, like this. That's enough. That will cover your entire face. I'm going to take a little bit more so that I can apply some to my neck, because I don't want to look really young here and then this part will look like older, you know. So let's just get on both parts. Okay, this is literally my 3-step skincare routine, and sometimes I do add stuff to this routine, but this is like the main and base that I always go for. So let's just give you guys a little close-up. I don't know, did anything happen with my eyes with the eye cream? Like, I feel like I don't look as tired, but I'm not sure. But you can see the glow, like, I just love these products. Like, I look so much fresher when I use these products. Now it is actually a 4-step routine because I'm using some Vaseline on my lips because it really hydrates them. So let's just... Okay, now I am definitely officially done with my skincare. So let's do a little bit of a close-up, just so you guys can see the glow. Oh, and guys, I forgot, I haven't told y'all, you guys have not seen my new hair color. This is my new look from now on. I did go a little bit lighter. I'm very happy about it, but sometimes I really miss my dark brown hair. So yeah, but I do really think this fits me, and when I do have my curls, like, girl, they look so good because of the hair color. Like, they just pop my curls right out, like, boom, you know. So I'm really in love with this hair color. But right now I'm just treating my hair because it's bleached, so it does need a lot more care than just my curls, which also already take a lot of care and energy. So right now, yeah, anyways, that's why I also straighten it, because it really saves me some good amount of time in the morning and in the evening, and you know, whatever. But this is really, like, oh, I love these products. Like, I will try to link everything that I can find. If I don't link them, I will definitely at least write whatever products I did use, so you can go and find them in your country, because I live in Sweden, so the Swedish websites does not work outside of Sweden, I think, not all of them. So I think you can definitely find them in your own country for a better price than, you know, buying them from Sweden and then paying a lot of extra money just for the shipping and the tax fees and everything. So yeah, so I would just write everything that I used. It's just like 3 products, so it's not much. But anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like beauty and fashion content, make sure to subscribe, because that's so fun. Like, I love it. So I will see you in my next one.